guys, once again, welcome to my channel, Stop and Go, etc. At ngayon ay nandito ako ngayon sa resto. Ang pangalan ay Boteju. Since 1946, Japanese resto bar. Okay. Yan. Ito yung kanyang setup nila. Okay. Okay, this is Japan. This is Boteju, leading the Osaka food culture as specialty restaurant. Japan's #1 most talk about okosoba and okos.